Hello everybody and welcome back for another room tour. Today Therese and I are at Disney's Riviera Resort here at Walt Disney World. It is a Disney Vacation Club resort and we have a tower studio to show you today. We are on the 3rd floor and so let's go take a look. Alright, real quickly here, if you walk up, you park on the west parking lot, you'll see the resort, and this rounded corner here are all of the tower studios, and you'll see just outside, if you look to your right, there's the Skyliner station. Alright, as you walk all the way into the hallway here, you see your 3 tower studios. You have an 8319, 8321, and 8323. We're at 8321 right here in the middle, so we're gonna get clicked in here, and when you open the door, here's what you see. It is a relatively small room. There's not a lot of space. You'll notice there's a bed that is not there presently, and I'm gonna let the door shut so we can get in. Again, this is a tower studio. It's meant to be small. It only sleeps 2 people, but despite its size, once Therese and I unpacked, we found it's actually a lot more kind of spacious and utilitarian than you would think. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take a look right here immediately to our left. You'll notice the first thing that kind of sticks out there is the microwave tucked away. As we move to the bottom, you open this cabinet door and there is your refrigerator. It's not one of the bigger refrigerators that DVC has, but it does have plenty of room to put waters and sodas, things like that in there. We'll shut this back for now and move on up above the microwave. We'll open this and you will notice you have most of your standard DVC stuff that would be in a normal studio. You have glass plates, bowls, you have your paper towels back there. You actually have regular silverware as opposed to plastic, which is a lot of other places. You have a nice toaster there if you need that. You also have a can opener, a towel, and you have your wine opener if you need that as well. We're going to shut that back. Oh, one more thing up top. You'll see you have your extra pillow and blanket for the room if you need that as well. So we'll go ahead and shut that back. And the next thing you'll notice is the plenty of cabinet space that they have. They have drawers here. They're very deep, a lot deeper than say like a standard dresser drawer. And then as you see, we've already kind of filled our space here on the second shelf. You do have your glasses and your ice bucket there. And they have one up top. It's nice to be up there, but unless you're taller than us, you're gonna have a little bit of a problem reaching that. If you look to the right here, you'll notice you have your flat screen TV. It's a Samsung, nice size there, takes up the majority of that wall. And then you have a little kind of cabinet space here in order to put things. Therese put her ears here. What do we have up under there? She's got some other stuff there, but for the most part, we managed to unpack everything and keep that relatively clean. Also, right here, you'll notice you have full-length mirror. You have your digital air conditioner. You need to make sure you keep that door closed or you'll come back and it'll be quite warm in here because the AC will not run. Here in the air conditioner there, you'll see you do have a standard plug. There's no USBs there. So as we look back up, we're going to get into the restroom there in just a second. That's where that door is at. You do have your kind of coffee table, end table here. You'll notice there's 2 different sides to this pad. I went ahead and flipped one over so you can see, but both of them will actually flip one way or the other. This side is solid in case you maybe wanted to eat on it. This side is soft if you wanted to put your foot up on it or sit on it, whatever you need to be. If you do take it out, it is hollow underneath, so it is another space for storage. And of course, trying to move these a little bit, they do break apart so you can move them around the room as you would like. Now to pull your bed out, you're going to need to move those back a little bit like we're fixing to do there. So hopefully that's far enough. And you'll see you have a full-size couch there, and beyond that is a Murphy bed, so you can reach up. I'm doing this by myself with one hand here. Whoops, I guess I need to hold my hand a little longer. It drops down nice and easy, and you have your bed. You see you have Peter Pan artwork there behind it. Very pretty artwork. And one of the things that I like most about this bed, actually, if you look, because it is small, you actually have cubby holes here to put your phone, your wallet, things like that you want to put. And if you look back there, on each side of the bed, you'll notice that it has 2 regular plugs, and also has traditional USB-Cs. There's one right here on this side of the bed, and there's one on the other side. It is identical, so you can lay your phone right next to you or whatever, charge it while you sleep. Then in the daytime, if you want your couch, you just lift it back up, and there you have it. Let's see if I can get this thing back up with one hand. Takes a little bit of effort, but not bad. All right, so once we get the bed shut, we'll move over to the right of the bed, and you'll notice the first thing is you have a chair, and you gotta have some desk space here to work. There are 2 drawers there. Again, they're just like the drawers on the other side. They're very deep, so they will hold more than, you know, most like dressers and such in a Disney hotel. I unloaded my entire luggage right there, and was able to put it on that shelf and then throw a book bag above it. We have completely unpacked, okay? And so for there not to be much space, that's kind of one of the things about it. Once you get unpacked and you're organized, it's very, you know, you still have plenty of space to do whatever it is that you're gonna do. All right, now on to the bathroom, and it is a sliding door here, and for as small as the room itself is, this bathroom is very, very spacious. This is one of my favorite things about the room. It's very elegant, very nice. It's not overly lit in here, but you do have your tissues, your facial tissue here. They are still providing you with all your H2O products right there. This is the first time I think we've seen that, the cooling aloe gel. So if you get sunburn or something like that, you have some of that there as well. Looking down under the cabinets here, you have some extra tissue, toilet paper. Therese has already kind of unpacked some stuff there. You do have your blow dryer over here. And so again, plenty of shelving and storage. It is just kind of open. And then we'll show you what we did with the closet here on the left side. And as you can see, there is additional shelving here. All of this is basically Therese stuff, so you're able to store our luggage in there as well. You do have a safe right here, so it is a digital safe. You have that. You do have a second extra pillow and blanket up there, so they don't short you on that. You do have they also provide you with a laundry bin down there, or a laundry hamper, and if you look behind clothes here, you can see obviously an ironing board and a steam iron up top. So anyway, you can pack a lot into a small space. As far as that goes, I wouldn't be too concerned about maybe the length of your stay, staying in a smaller room. And then this shower is just amazing. It's an extremely large shower. You do have your string here for your bathing suit or whatever you want to hang to dry, but it does have the 2 shower heads. It has the traditional shower head that comes off, you can use as you'd like, or it has the waterfall style shower head. And as you step in, you see they also have the pumps to go along with the stuff in the bottom. But as you can see, I've taken basically 2 full steps back, sat down, and it's a very, very spacious, relaxing shower to be in. So anyway, that's great. And this is a look from the shower back out into the restroom area. And then here's a look into the room. Last but not least, we're going to give you a look out the window here, which would be about the same view. This is the window. We are overlooking the skyliner there to the left, and the parking lot to the right. But let's see. Here we are. Here's the Riviera parking lot. Part of it there from the road is with to the left. You'll see the skyliner hub here. You can see people going in and out. You have the Caribbean Beach Resort right there. And if you look back, if you look in the distance right there through those trees, you can see Spaceship Earth. And so that's where EPCOT is at. It's directly out, and as you look right there, you can see the building the Guardians of the Galaxy is in as well, the roller coaster. Now, All right, everybody, thanks again for hanging out with us and hanging in there with us with this room tour today. It is a tower studio at the Riviera Resort here at Walt Disney World. It is the only resort that has the tower studios. So if you have any questions about them, please don't hesitate to comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer those the best that I can for you. We'll get you a resort tour as well here hopefully soon. So hang in there. If you please take a moment to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that as well. That helps the channel more than you know. I really appreciate it.